Snowflakes, and welcome to this video. So in this video, we are making a really awesome, super yummy Easter treat. Today we're going to be making Cadbury egg Peep cupcakes. I know, two of the most yummy things around Easter time are Peeps and Cadbury eggs, and I'm putting them together in a cupcake, and I'm bringing you one of the yummiest cupcakes of all time. So I usually do a Easter decor and Easter treats video, but this year I just wanted to focus on one treat, and I've already made a spring decor video, which I'll link in the card section if you want to watch it. So let's get on into making some Easter cupcakes. You guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below if you're going to be making these cupcakes for Easter. I know that I'm probably going to be making another batch of them for Easter. I also want to say happy Easter, and I'll see you in my next video super soon. Bye!